What's up? Tonight, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook up some chicken. We got some rutabaga, turnip, onions, some celery, some potatoes from the garden, and some motherfucking carrots, garlic. Right here, we're gonna shave this off. We're gonna put it in the pan, get some stock in there. All right, here we go.
Potatoes, we got some potatoes. Oh yes. Oh wait, you thought I was gonna eat that shit? I was gonna eat a raw potato. Why would I do that?